Hey guys, I'm Sarah. How are you? I'm going to be opening my very first subscription box ever in this video. I'm pretty excited to be partnered with FabFitFun. They are sponsoring this video, and I do have a $10 off your very first box code, which I will put in the description box below and on the screen here. It is crafty. In the comment section below, let me know what your favorite thing or things about fall are. I definitely like the leaves changing colors. I live in Ohio, so that's a thing here. And I do like layering my outfits. Also pumpkin patches, Halloween, scary movies. Each box is $49.99, but the value of the items that are included is always over $200, sometimes over $300, which this month could be for you guys, depending on what you choose. FabFitFun is now customizable, which I'll go over more at the end, the items that you could possibly choose from. You're gonna get it every single season, so 4 times a year. Now I'm gonna send you guys back to last week, which is when I got the box and opened it. You can see me unbox everything and review the products, tell you what I think. Now without further ado, let's get into the fall box. Those were leaves. Let's do it. It's here. Oh, it's so cute. Here we have a box inside of a box. Let's dig in, shall we? Dun, 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 dun. Look, guys. It says, grateful for every little thing, fall 2018. That's so cute. So cute. The first thing that I saw, and probably you guys too, is this little magazine on top. It has Christina Applegate with some beautiful lipstick, and her eyes are stunning, okay? I love bold lips for fall, and actually just any time of the year, but especially fall. So it says what's in the box in here. I want to be surprised, so I'm not gonna look through this yet. Put this aside. Oh, what's this? Have any of you guys used HelloFresh? I want to know what you guys think of it. There's a $50 gift card in here for me to use, and I will show it to you, but there's a code, so I'm going to cover that up. It's $25 off the first 2 boxes and free shipping. They will deliver everything pre-measured, the ingredients, and then once I get the stuff from them, I can cook a meal in 30 minutes or less, and home-cooked meals are my absolute favorite. There's also this FabFitFun postcard on top, and it just has a code to pass on to my friends, and I'm passing it on to you guys as well, so there will be a code in the description box below, so you guys can get $10 off your first box if you're interested in doing the FabFitFun box. There is a card for this Luna Rica, so you can get $3 off a box of Luna bars on Amazon. Girl loves coupons. I have not tried the Luna bars yet. I like almonds, I like peanut butter, and cashews, so I don't even know which one to pick. Let me know if you guys have tried them, and tell me which one I might like best. What? What is this? A mini teapot. A ceramic and stainless steel teapot. This is the brand Alfred. Oh my gosh, look how cute. It's so pretty. And on the plus side, this doubles as a really nice kitchen decor piece. I just moved into this house a few months back in April, and I still don't really have much in the kitchen, so this is great to just add a little bit of decor to that space. And there's this inside. Cool. Moving on, we have Cobra wireless earbuds. Kind of a not so fun story. A couple months ago, I broke my iPhone 6. So I completely shattered the screen, dropped it face smack down in the garage on the concrete floor in there. It was pretty shattered. So I ended up with an iPhone 8 Plus, and I do have the little extension cable or whatever that is, the adapter for the earbuds, but I've never tried wireless before. I think that these will be really convenient in case I ever misplace that, which definitely happens. And also if I want to do something else with that jack at the bottom, you know, maybe if I'm charging my phone while I want to listen to music, then I can use these. They are Bluetooth speakers. Let's see what they look like. So these are able to be recharged via wall outlet, car, or computer. There's a charging cord and a replacement pair of ear tips. This is what the earbuds look like. They have a pink accent on the back here. If you guys notice, I have really tiny ears. So a lot of times I will deal with earbuds that I get from the airport if I forget mine. They will start to hurt after a while. So it's really hard to find a brand other than the Apple ones that do not hurt my ears. They're comfortable. They stay in. Let's move on to the next thing. Oh, there's two of these. So this is the Glamglow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. Here we go. I'm gonna try this. I just got out of the shower. As you can probably tell, my hair is out of my face, and I also just put a little bit of water on my face to dampen it. It feels really gooey. It's so bubbly. Oh my gosh, it looks so funny. It feels so good. And now that 3 minutes is up, I'm gonna peel it off. And I'm gonna massage the rest of the bubbles in. It looks like I'm about to shave my face. The foam actually does kind of feel like a shaving cream consistency. Now I'm gonna go rinse this off. Next, this is the Crown Pro. Ooh, okay, this is a brush set. To be honest, I'm so bad at trying new makeup products. I just use all the brushes that come with the sets of anything that I've ever gotten. It comes in this case, and bam. I think I've basically just doubled my brush collection. That's how many brushes I don't have. They feel soft, soft and fluffy. The Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towel. 2 towels. I like to have decorative towels out in the kitchen, and I like to switch them up with every season and, you know, maybe a couple times a month. It's nice that these aren't too crazy. They're pretty neutral, but at the same time, they have a pattern on them. A very subtle diagonal line pattern. Wow, look at my hair going everywhere. Next, we have Skin & Co. Roma Blue and Capri Shower Gel. Okay, so this is a limited edition Italian collection shower gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Sounds like something I would like. Smells good. It actually kind of smells a little bit like tea. That might be coming from the basil, but I was a little worried because it said rose as the first ingredient, and I am not a floral girl at all. I don't like floral scents usually. Very rarely do I like anything floral scented. This does not smell rosy at all. It smells more like the other things. This one is the Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Polishing Facial Exfoliant Pink Grapefruit and glucosamine extract. I think that's how you say it. It's a skin polishing exfoliant formulated for daily use to gently delaminate dry and dead skin cells. Another product I haven't tried any of this stuff, which is very exciting because it's not stuff that, you know, I'm just repeating. There's a whole list on here of stuff that it doesn't have in it, like skin aging toxins, carcinogens, no artificial fragrance, which is always something that I'm an advocate of. No parabens, no synthetic colors, no glycols. It's just all natural, or as close as you can get. I haven't seen something that I have to actually like poke to open in a long time. How do I open it? Oh, it comes with the thing. Okay, so you just pop it like that. There we go. It smells a lot like this stuff actually. Similar. The shower gel smells a little bit sweeter. And then what else do we have? There's something else. It's hiding out underneath. Oh, there's more than just one thing. Cool. I wasn't expecting there to be this much in the box. I thought there'd be maybe 5 things. And I got a beauty blender. Well, I usually use my fingers to put on makeup and foundation and everything. I do have some beauty sponges, but I don't have any Beauty Blender brand blenders. It's so soft, so squishy. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know that. So you're supposed to wet this, saturate it in water, squeeze it out to dry, and then bounce your favorite makeup. If I wouldn't have read that, I would have just put it on dry. I'm officially a beauty guru now, right? Okay, now what's this? Eye cream. I'm definitely hyped to try this. I have one that I've been using, and it's almost gone. It's a free sample that I think I got from Sephora as a birthday gift. This is the Pharmacy Do It All. I like that pun, DEW. Total Eye Cream. So this also is a very natural product. It has natural ingredients, free of parabens, free of formaldehyde, not tested on animals. That is very kind. That's important. And it's free of artificial coloring. This is a powerfully moisturizing eye cream to help minimize signs of aging, stress, and fatigue. It's supposed to help reduce the appearance of dark circles and visibly improve the brightness of under eye area. Here we go. I like the wooden lid on here. Okay, so this stuff doesn't really smell like anything. So for those of you who absolutely hate fragrance in your product whatsoever, this one is, I can't really smell anything. I'm pretty neutral on this. As long as it's not really strong smelling, it's not extra florally, then I'm good. We got some confetti. And one of the most exciting things, it was upside down, but I got a Luna bar. I'm definitely trying this right now. You guys get to see my first reaction to ever trying a Luna bar. Cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar, gluten-free, non-GMO. Sounds good. Rica means rich and delicious in Spanish, and it was made in Canada. Let's see how this tastes. Look at that. It is split into little sections. Smells good. Peanut butter. Oh my gosh, I like it. That's pretty good. Those are all the items I got in my box. As I did mention at the beginning, you can customize what you get. Not everything, but you do have some options, which I'm showing you on the screen right now. So here's what was in that magazine that I decided to keep a secret at the beginning. So depending on your preference, you could have gotten a tote bag instead of the makeup brushes, a French press for coffee instead of the teapot, or an umbrella instead of the earbuds, plus these choices for select members, so lots of options. Thank you so much FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. I am going to do a winter unboxing in just a couple months, so stay tuned for that if you're interested. You can turn bell notifications on so you never miss a video, and also subscribe. If you want to get in on the FabFitFun box, I do have a code for $10 off your very first box. It is crafty. If you want to see some more of my videos now, you can go ahead and check them out over here or in the iCard up in the corner. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.